श्री राग महला तीजा जिन्नी पुरखी सतगुर ना सेवियो से दुखिए जुग चार कर होंदा पुरख ना पछाणिया अभिमान मुठे अहंकार। Those who have not served the true Guru suffer throughout all the ages as they do not realize the Vaheguru who abides within themselves. The primal being is within their own home, but they do not recognize him. They get completely lost in this world because of their egoism, pride and arrogance. Satguru kiya fit kiya mang thake sansar sacha shabad na seviyo sab kaaj sawaran har. Cursed by the true Guru, Satguru, they keep wandering around the world begging until they are completely exhausted. Once they are disallowed by the Guru, they do not find any other solace in this world and leave the world without realizing anything. They do not serve the true word of the Shabad, which is the solution to all the problems. मन मेरे सदा हर वेख हदूर जन्म मरण दुख पर हरै शब्द रहया भरपूर रहाओ. O my mind, see Vaheguru close to you all the time. Behold the Vaheguru always by your side through the Guru's grace. He shall remove the pains of death and rebirth. Once you perceive the Vaheguru pervading everywhere, all your sufferings and fear of cycle of births and rebirth is eradicated and you are completely filled by Guru's Shabad. Pause. Sach salahan se sache सच्चा नाम आधार सच्ची कार कमावणी सच्चे नाल प्यार. The Guru-minded people are true and they always seek truth through Guru's guidance. They have true name as their only support. They act truthfully in love with true Vaheguru. Sacha Shah Vartada Koi na metan har Manmukh Mahil na paini Kud muthe kudeyar. The true Vaheguru prevails everywhere and everything is functioning according to his will and none can alter it or erase it. The self-will manmukhs do not obtain the mention of Vaheguru's presence. The faithless persons do not receive Vaheguru's favors or blessings. Being absorbed in the veil of falsehood, they waste their lives without realizing the true Vaheguru's abode. Haume karta jag mua, gur bin kor andhar, माया मोह विसारया सुख दाता दातार. The whole world is perishing, engrossed in egoism. The whole world seems to be completely lost, as without the Guru's guidance, it is in total darkness. In emotional attachment to Maya, people have forgotten the great giver of peace, the God benefactor center of the world, being occupied by the worldly veil of falsehood. Satguru sevai ta uparai, sach rakhe urtar, kirpati har paye, sach shabad vichar. Serving the true Guru and by implanting the truth in their hearts, some people have crossed this ocean of life successfully. They keep the true one enshrined in their hearts, and true Guru saves them. By his grace, one can find the true Vaheguru by reflecting and meditating on the true word of the Shabad. Satguru sev man nirmala, haume taj vikar, आप छोड़ जीव तुमरे गुर के शब्द विचार. By serving the true Guru, the mind can become pure and immaculate, and one can get rid of all the vices and egoism. So abandon your selfishness and remain dead like you have no existence and you're only living through the word. This understanding comes by contemplating on the word of Guru Shabad. Tanda tavat reh gaye, laga sach pyar, sach rate mukh ujle, tit sachay darbar. When one falls in love with the one and only divine, all the worldly affairs come to an end. Those who are attuned to the truth, their faces are radiant in the court of true Vaheguru. Satguru Purakh na mannyo, Shabad na lago pyar, isnan dan jeta kare, duje paye khwar. The self-willed manmukhs who do not have faith in the primal being, the true Guru, and who do not enshrine love for the Shabad, they take all kinds of cleansing baths and give charities, but they are ultimately consumed by their dual-mindedness, undergoing sufferings in this world. When the dear God Himself bestows His grace, they are inspired to inculcate the love of Nam in their hearts. O Nanak, immerse yourself in the Nam to the infinite love of the Guru.